today I will work on the electric side again. I will try to connect windshield liquid pump and halo lights. They are not connected at the moment. I will try to put this everything together and put a new fuse box, which in my opinion will be better than its original one. It's not original factory Dodge ones, but as you can see in previous my videos, I replaced the whole electric for some how to call it, universal one, yeah, for the universal Mopar, China made or something like that, yeah, the whole electric, and the fuse box is a bit rubbish, and I changing for, in my opinion, a little bit better, and try to sort it out all the necessary cables which are not connected yet, and I want to sort it out all the looms, and I want to do this now because I want to get into finish touches, how the looms will be wired, where they lay around the car, and that's why I want to do this, everything sorted out, so when it will be warmer I want to put the dash back. That's the main wire with battery cables, which will be sorted soon, because at the moment they are like that, but I want to put them underneath, so just to looks nice and tidy. This will go as well lower on the firewall, just more or less on this height will be all the cables will go in this trace. I will put the bigger shield to accommodate all the cables from the top and to the lower section. Also, you see, that's it's not original windshield cleaner tank, and you can see the cable, it's tied up and they're not used at the moment. I will put them together now, everything's. Also halo lights are somewhere here, I think that's the cables from halo lights, because previously I connect them to the one of these electrical switches, this, I don't know, like exactly, I forget how it's called it. Okay, they are here, all of them are here. That is my new fuse box. Yeah, yesterday I connected the coil. Yeah, it's here, and then there's switches. Yeah, I don't remember exactly. And one of these switches was on the fenders, one of the sides of the fender by the battery, and I want to keep them, all the switches, yeah, inside here. Yeah, that's why I moved them all, and I disconnected the halo lights, and I want to connect them back together. Everything still works how it's supposed to be, how to, all the switches should be in one place, not everywhere around the car. And the same is with the windshield liquid, yeah, which was connected to electric fan switch, relay. Oh yeah, that's the question. Not switch, the relay. No, more or less it works like a switch, yeah. One of the relays is responsible for the connecting the electric fan, and it was placed on the passenger side near the the bottle with the windshield liquid. And then now, because I moved all the relays here, I did not connect. Oh, I disconnected this all this, and I want to, you know, put it back together. Everything's, you know, connected. Everything's to works as it's supposed to, and I need to, you know, well, add another one. I've got a few of them, you know, as you can see. I've got another 5 places where I can put some relays, but I think I will need maybe 1 or 2, or maybe I'll put some relays for the headlight, maybe, and definitely probably they will be for red lights. What I hear this that's the relays stabilized current, and then the LED lights not play around, you know, there's the flickering or something like that, you know, with the LED lights on the old-fashioned electrics, they not work great. Yeah, that's what I hear. That's the relays help with this. That is starter relay, yeah, here, and the cable which I replace is this one. It goes to, you know, to battery. Yeah, it's going here. That's what I will replace, and I put it under and I will put it under the, you know, brake booster in the shield here, and then this way probably will be that, like that. We'll see yet to be checked. That's my thing, and this cable from halo lights need to go to there, and I have to fix. You see, it still is not done properly. There is still, you know, original hole, because that was plastic bit, yeah, for the, you know, the wire looms. There was some kind of plastic connector here, but that's the universal one doesn't have that thing, and I will put some kind of plate in here and grommet, and then I will do. But for me at the moment, maybe some another day when I have more money, I will buy, you know, the dedicated wires, you know, the factory looks like. Okay, as you can see, there is big mess with the front lights and the front markers, and the horn and Dixie horn is connected here, everything. That's why it's a little bit messy, but I will get there later on. I will sort it out, everything. First need to be everything connected, and then we can sort it out, all this mess, and we can tidy it up. You can see that the halo lights, all the equipment for the halo lights, you can see there's everything temporary at the moment. Will be everything screwed to the frame underneath, so, you know, to looks much tidier. But at the moment, power, I need to find power where it's going to. It's going, see, I can see it's going to the inside of the car, but I'm not sure yet exactly which is cable and where is it. I need to do this, find out. Okay, that is cable to the halo lights. Okay, that's, I need to connect it to the cable from accessory. Okay, power cable to the wipers is connected, and this red one, that is windscreen washer pump, is connected. It's here to the yeah, that is mission partner, and there is power, and right, and that's everything's going to, what is it? It's going to here, yeah, to fuse box. I don't want this one, yeah. There is black cable here, which is connected to the whole this section here. The red ones, few red ones, black ones, they are connected together, and I have to do this in one go, then move them to the new fuse box. Okay, yet another day playing with the electrics. Now the fuse box is almost dismantled, or almost. I started it just. And right, that is horn relay and it's dome light. Now I have to take the bracket off, and I put everything in this one. And yeah, I have to you see the spaghetti. I need to dismantle this bit, so untangle the wires, because the one wire is going this way, second one wire is going over there, and it is quite big spaghetti to figure it out what's going on with this. Yeah, that's why we have to dismantle this horn relay thingy and put together over there, and we'll start with the whole mine wires. Yeah, red ones, yeah, because they are connected in some kind of rails. Yeah, all the wires are connected all together. Yeah, and you see that's the red black cables. They spread power supply to other real fuses. That'll be everything for today. I've done horn relay and hazard lights. Also I put one cable for the dome light and one cable for hazard lights, and that's pretty much everything for today. I had to add some cables, shuffle them a little bit, and that's pretty much everything for this day. It's getting colder and colder, and there is 20 to 3 o'clock, and the kids need to eat something. Okay, then see ya guys. If you want to ask something, or you got some suggestion, just please like, subscribe, and bell icon added, and then okay, that will be everything for today. See ya bit. Nada. See ya.